Welcome back, everybody. This is a follow-up video from my previous video for horizontal and vertical shifts. Now we're asked to graph those two functions in front of us. So beginning with number 1, we have radical x plus 2. Now we all know the graph of a radical behaves something like this. Now since there's a plus 2 inside the radical, that means there is a horizontal shift c units to the left. And how many units does it say here? It says 2 units. That means this has shifted 2 units to the left. That's going to produce this sketch. Moving on to the next example. We have the absolute value of x plus 1 minus 1. Now we all know the basic function. The basic function is simply the absolute value of x. The absolute value of x looks something like this. Kind of looks like a V. But there are two transformations here. There's a shift of 1 unit to the left and another shift 1 unit down. So if we mark off some increments here, let's say 1, 2, 1, 2. Like we said, the graph moved 1 unit to the left and 1 unit down. So it would end up looking something like this. This is a very, very basic rough sketch. However, if you were to construct a table of values, you will end up graphing the function exactly where you basically mark off your increments. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. Please go ahead and subscribe and like this video. This will help grow the channel more. And we'll see you next time.